Hello everyone, I'm Stanley from Arbor Technology. Today I'm excited to showcase our Net Zero ESG carbon management solution. We'll be looking at a simulated factory scenario that demonstrates how to master real-time energy and carbon emission data. At the heart of this solution is the Arbor SB244 series, a robust fanless industrial PC. It is powered by the Intel Elkhart Lake J6 4-12 processor and features 4 high-speed LAN ports, HDMI output, along with support for M.2 SSD and mini PCIe expansion. Security is key. The SB244 comes with a discrete TPM 2.0 security chip to ensure total data protection. Plus, its DIN rail mounting design allows for rapid deployment in various control cabinets and industrial environments. This platform supports multiple communication protocols, allowing it to capture real-time operational data like temperature, humidity, and power usage via sensors. All this data is then centralized and visualized instantly through the Chameleon Analysis platform. It automatically converts energy consumption data into carbon emission figures. This helps enterprises precisely track the carbon footprint of every production line and device, providing a solid basis for energy saving and carbon reduction decisions. By partnering with Yima Information, Arbor delivers a highly reliable and easy-to-deploy carbon management solution. Through precise data monitoring, we don't just help you meet ESG goals, we help you realize the true value of digital transformation and sustainable operations. If this solution sparks your interest, reach out to us right away. We look forward to assisting you. Also, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new solution updates.